Alright, so I'm on Capcut right now, so I will click on new project and import the video I want to use for this tutorial. You get my point? So guys, as you can see, here is the video. Now this is how to record this video. You have to mount your camera on a tripod. You can decide to use landscape, you can decide to use portrait. You get my point? But I use landscape for this particular tutorial, so you need to either use a chair or you can stand. It depends on you. Then you can bring out your hand, stretch out your hand, then open your hand to imagine a portal coming out from your hand and something is falling from your hand. You get my point? All these things you are doing them through imagination. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Then when you are done, you can now walk away. So that's how to shoot the video, how to record the video. Now we are done with the recording. Now let's go to how to edit this particular video. So guys, as you can see, when I recorded this video, I had some noise in the background and I have to mute the noise I had in the background because I don't want them to be disturbing in the video. You get my point? So I will click on this mute clip right here. So to confirm that you've muted the noise in the background, you have to tap on the video layer right here like this, then go to volume. When you go to where is volume, go to volume. When you click on volume, you will see that it's reduced to 0. You get my point? So you can click on OK button right here. Now we want to set on how we want the video to start. So at this point, we don't even need an empty background. So what we need is from this particular point where the character is sitting, and try to bring out the hand. So this is where I want my own to start. So I will tap on the video layer. Now go to split. So I will click on split right here, then delete the beginning of the video. Please follow it step by step. Am I too fast? Let me know in the comment section if I'm too fast. And I will advise you to watch this video up to 2 times or 3 times before you start editing it, so you will not miss out. So this is how the video is going to start. So let's move over to how the video is going to end. You get my point? So from this point where the character is about to get up from the chair, understand? So I'm going to tap on the video layer, tap on split, then delete the ending part of the video. So now what you have to do next right here is we are going to bring in the effect, the portal effect. Understand? So I'm going to bring the effect right here from this part where the character brings out his hand. You get my point? So you tap on overlay, then you click on add overlay. You get my point? Alright guys, so here is the portal effect right here. You get my point? So but we have to remove the green background here and this portal. So what you need to do as it is now, you can still tap on this second layer, which is the portal, the effect layer. Now go to remove BG. Now click on remove BG and click on chroma key. Now move this circle, this color picker to where it shows green, and you have something like this. So you can increase the intensity between 25 and 30. You get my point? You can leave it there at 30 or then if you subscribe to Capcut Pro features, you get my point. So you can use this fader, you can use the cleanup edge to take up everything. But if you do not have this type of Capcut, or you are using the other one that you need to pay for subscription, or if you've not subscribed, let me use that word, you get my point. Now you still have a way to do it. Now click on OK. Now tap on this navigation button right here on the left bottom corner. You get my point? Now when you click on it, you go to where you see adjust. Click on adjust. Now go and look for HSL. So look at HSL right here. So tap on it, tap on green. When you tap on green, now reduce the saturation to -100. So when you do that, you're going to have something like this. But as it is, I'm not really satisfied with this portal because the shadow below is still showing and I don't want it to show. So what I'm going to do right here is, please pay attention, make sure you watch this video to the end, and if you are getting value from this tutorial, please do what to hit the like button. You get my point? So what we are going to do right here is go to mask. Where is mask? You get my point? So click on mask right here. So click on circle. When you click on circle, you click on adjust. So at this point, you have to click on size. Then you use this Y and the X axis to reduce and or increase it, understand? So you play with it like what I'm doing right now. So when I get to where I want it to be, I'm going to stop. So I'm just doing it right away. So when you are done with this, you can click on position, so you can adjust it, take it to any side you want it to be. You get my point? I believe you understand what I'm doing right here. So when you are able to get your preferred position and your preferred size, you now click on OK. So when you click on OK, it's fine like this. So you place 2 fingers on your screen and then adjust it, make it small so it will fit into your palms, or you can make it a little big, understand, then fix it right there. You get my point? So if you are playing this video, you're going to have something like this, but as you can see, it takes a little while before the portal comes out. So at this point, we are going to adjust it from this length, and move the video a bit, move the portal effect a bit, understand? So we leave it somewhere here. You get my point? So you can do the adjustments right here. I don't want this video to be very long. So when you have the portal like this, as you can see, the portal is shorter than the main video clip, understand? But if you want to make it longer, you tap on the portal effect. Now go to speed. When you go to speed, go to normal, then reduce the speed to maybe 0.7. You get my point? Now you click on OK. So you're going to have something like this, understand? So even with that, you are okay. Now let's move on. The next thing you are going to do right here, from this portal effect as it is now, you're going to tap on this navigation button. Now tap on it again. Now click on overlay and bring in the pictures you want to use. Anything you want to use for this, you can now bring them in. So guys, as you can see, I just brought in like 5 fruits. You get my point? So I'm going to work on all of these 5 fruits, but I'm going to show you how to do 1 or 2, then I'll do the rest because I don't want this video to be very long. So now to start with, I'm going to start with this orange. So I'll tap on the orange layer, then drag it a bit so that I'll be able to have it alone, understand? So it will be something like this. Now tap on it, then go and look for remove BG. Where is remove BG? Now click on it. Now click on auto removal, then allow it to be removed 100%. Now tap on OK. Place 2 fingers on your screen and make it small. Make it small, then take it to where the portal is. You get my point? But from the look of things, you can see that the portal effect is very small, so you can set up on the portal effect and make it big a little, so you can allow it to be like that, not too big, understand? So now you come back to this orange effect. Now add keyframe at the beginning of this orange effect, then move it to where close to this 3 seconds. You get my point? Somewhere here. Now you can, for you to be able to do this, you have to tap on other layers, drag them away, just shift them away from that particular side, so you'll be able to focus on this orange layer alone. So now I believe you are following. So from here now you can drag it to where you want it to be. So I want it to be somewhere here. So when I get to that position, you place 2 fingers on your screen and then make it big, understand? Make it big. You get my point? So you're gonna have something like this. So if you play the video, you're gonna have something like this. So now you allow it to be there. Now this is the last fruit, so I want to show you in case you did not get it when I did the first one. So now you tap on the last fruit, tap on it. Now go and look for remove BG. You get my point? So this is remove BG. Click on auto removal. Now the background will be removed completely. Now place 2 fingers on your screen and make it small, understand? So you take it to the portal where the portal is. So at this point you can tap and hold this fruit, you bring it towards the beginning of the previous one. You get my point? So when you bring it right there, it will be something like this right here. So you tap here and add keyframe at the beginning of the last fruit you just brought in. So you add keyframe. Now you move the video a bit towards where this 3.0 seconds, understand? So from here you can drag it to another position. So I want to bring it to this point here. So I will just expand it. So when you bring it, you can expand it, then you can leave it somewhere here. You get my point? So you can now click on OK and leave it right there. So this is what you're gonna get. This is how the video is gonna play. You get my point? And that's perfect. So what you're gonna do, you still have to tap on the fruit layer, then adjust it to align with where to just bring it to the end of the video. You get my point? So you do like that with all the fruit layers. You get my point? So when you have it like this, guys, you are good to go. So the next thing for you to do right here is for you to click on export and export your video to your gallery. You get my point? So without wasting much time, see you in our next video.